Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are on mid USDT. So first of all, let's just talk a little bit about Ethereum. Ethereum is still holding the healthy levels for now. Today it was really scary when it kind of went down to 350 because that would be like a sign of losing the first major support, or should I say, right, the first major structure. And luckily it was rejected right there, right? I mean, it came right back above it with a strong, like, I think it was like the pump was like $30 or $40 big. So that's the kind of thing you want to see when you swoop the low and you close back in the structure with a like little 30 to $40 pump, or should I say like 10% or 15% pump, right? Definitely nice to see in such times. And this now gives us a chance for Ethereum to go all the way to 420, 430, right? Maybe even 440 if we're lucky. So then again, maybe some of these longs will work out. So yes, some of the longs got wrecked, but if I looked at Tomo instantly hit its TP target and all of that. So some of them got wrecked, some of them won, right? So it's not exactly 80 or 90% hit ratio like we had the previous 2 months, but it is about still a little bit above 50, right? So far we're still doing okay. We're not doing really good, but we are doing solid work, right? We're still making the money. And right now I was observing this trade, and it's located right here. Again, it's one of those spots which is absolutely has to hold for this coin to go higher. And again, I know I've shown a lot of trades like this lately, but these are basically, this is all you have right now. It's either gonna be like this. It's either gonna be a good alt season after this, because these are pullback zones, really good ones, the ones you would take, right? And they're either gonna play out or they're all gonna get wrecked. That's just the harsh reality of how this all work out, right? So the buy zone is right here, and the stop loss in this case, I'm gonna put it about 12%. So you can see again, I mean, a fatter area, the fatter stop loss can really help it when it comes to this here. And with the first profit target being located right up here, which is about 36% pump on the coin, right, which is pretty good, or 2.7 R, again, pretty good, right, pretty good. I really do hope this is it. I really hope this one plays out as well, because there's so many alts that have similar areas, and these areas are strong, and these areas I would take even in regular markets all the time, and most of the time they play out. I mean, they are quite high probability areas. Just in crypto, you always have this issue with Bitcoin or Ethereum. If they're acting up too much, you're basically fucked, right? That's what I'm just trying to say. So right here, if we put up the next profit target up here, which is about 80% pump on the coin of 6R, and the last one profit target, because again, like I said, if we bounce from here, you can go all the way for the bullish continuation. We still have plenty of charts to the left, and if I look at it to the left side, it's about here, this last profit target that I would take, because there will be retest the bottom side again, right? As we have now done the retests here, right here, we will do more of them in the future as well, right? I mean, it's always the same thing in trading, right? When you go up a lot, you also come down a lot, and it's just the point is, you just have to keep that bullish continuation going, right? If you start losing major supports, you're gonna get screwed, and you're gonna do a whole reversal, and you're gonna start hunting the bottom levels, right? And again, the last profit target's 142% or 11R, and now is during the times like that, it's really hard to pinpoint which of these trades are gonna play out. But like I said, if one of the trades fails, if a stronger trade fail, right, it's most likely these ones will as well, right? But sometimes you have these trades because a lot of the whales have really big positions on coins like this, right? So if they just dump, you can see a giant large wick which lasts like 1 minute or two and goes back into the coin, right? So that's also an issue. So sometimes you really get good fills on coins like this, right? But sometimes you get missed completely, and sometimes they go way too deep because of one whale, right? Of holding too much or dumping too much at the market price, right? So also have to be careful about that. Here we have pretty defined profit targets. So if this profit target is hit, right, this one right here, we're going to be moving stop loss under here, and then we shouldn't be going under this anymore after we get hit, right? Because that would be the third touch to this high. So either way, it's going to pull back a little bit and maybe just go straight through. That would also make sense, right? So in this sense, we don't have to track the stop loss, because we do see what's happening on the left side, right? So we have plenty of room to play around, right? And like I said, again, if the Bitcoin and Ethereum now stop acting up, and if Ethereum is actually gonna do what I think it's gonna do right now, closing back in with this, like I said, $34 pump, I do think Ethereum could actually go now up for another 40, 50, 60 bucks, right? And that will pretty much confirm profit targets on a lot of these trades that were called, like, in the last week, right? So that would make us, again, that moves us again quite ahead in the trading week, right? And it would be, this terms, it would be quite a successful week yet again, right? Hopefully that does happen. And again, guys, I have to mention, join us on the 4C Telegram community channels, right? If you wish to see more of these trades, if you wish to see how we go in and out of trades or how we manage risks during the times like this. Also, I gotta say that we just launched a custom competition in trading on OKEx, which we will, you have upwards to $8,000 you can win them. So you can also join us there, if you wish to try out your trading skills. And also, subscribe to this channel if you wish to see more videos like this, and, punch that notification button to get it on your homepage. And I guess we will be seeing each other on the next one.